Hello friends, Satakshi here, and today we are going to discuss 20 general science related questions and know its scientific explanation. Let's start friends. What is cerebrum? The largest part of the brain, which is the center of the intelligence, coordination, memory, will, and so on. What is spinal cord? Spinal cord, the continuation of the medulla oblongata. Enclosed in the backbone, the spinal cord controls reflex action and communicates messages between the brain and the body. What is tendon? A fibrous cord or band connecting muscles to a bone is tendon. What is pulmonary artery? The artery carrying impure blood from the heart to the lungs. The only artery carrying impure blood. All other arteries carry pure blood. What is gallbladder? A pouch situated at the lower border of the liver for storage of a bile juice is gallbladder. What is ligament? A band or sheet of fibrous tissue that connects two or more bones is ligament. What is reflex action? An involuntary motor or secretory response by tissue to a sensory stimulus, example sneezing, blinking, coughing, and so on. What is duodenum? The first part of the small intestine where digestive juice helps in digestion is duodenum. What is vitreous humor? The transparent fluid in the posterior chamber of the eye is vitreous humor. What is trachoma? Caused by a germ called chlamydia and spread by the direct contact. It always affects both eyes and causes mild itching and irritation. For cure, tetracycline group is administered orally. What is agranulocytosis? Agranulocytosis, a condition where there are too few WBC. This lowers body resistance to disease and causes secondary infections, whereby patient may die from infections we cannot resist. What is scarlet fever? Scarlet fever caused by hemolytic streptococcal infections. Symptoms are fever, sore throat, and red rash. Thrombosis, formation of a blood in a blood vessel or in the heart, which results in the death of the patient, is thrombosis. What do you mean by osteomalacia? A disease caused by the shortage of vitamin D, which results in the softening of bones, pain causing frequent fractures, and bending of the backbone is osteomalacia. What do you mean by pellagra? A disease caused by the deficiency of nicotinic acid, vitamin B complex. The symptoms are diarrhea, mental laziness, and symmetrical dermatitis. Skin becomes red and itchy. Presbyopia. Presbyopia causes difficulty in reading and working with objects close at hand. This defect can be corrected by the use of convex lenses. Smog. Smog is an urban problem caused by combustion of fuels. Pollutants react with sunlight to cause more than 100 secondary pollutants that can cause respiratory problems like asthma in humans. Hemophilia, a hereditary bleeding tendency due to inadequate clotting of blood. It is a rare disease almost seen only in males. Diathermy, a technique of generating heat in a tissue by means of high frequency electric current, used to relieve pain due to muscular disorders. Coagulase, an enzyme which clots plasma, example renin and thrombin. Thanks for watching, friends. I hope you like this video very much, and don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Once again, thanks very much.